Now let's talk about the menu. So the menu is the top level navigation items. Now I would strongly suggest keeping this as it is. And the reason I say that is because it's a horizontal navigation, there's not a lot of wiggle room here to add new nav items without breaking the design. So you just want to keep this. Usually kind of best practices say keep your top level nav items around 6 or 7. Anything more than that is just, it gets a bit crazy. So we've added top level items and then sub level items within them. You can even have subs of subs. So if there was sport and then the various sports pages, you could fall under sport and there'd be another level of hierarchy. But the top level nav items, your school's so small, just keep it simple. And it's not going to be overwhelming for any of the users. But if you do want to modify any of that, we'd go into WordPress and then you scroll down under appearance. So this is where you're modifying the appearance of your site, and you'll see this area called menus. So this is where you click on menus, and then you can see the menu, kind of the menu item, the menu structure and how it's set up. So I've created a menu structure called main nav, which is your main navigation across the top. And you'll see it's basically listed in order. So the about, and then you have the sub items for about, academic calendar, meet our staff. It's about, there's those 3. Next is classes, which is your class pages and all those various pages that fall underneath it. Extracurricular, school life, etc. So to move these around, it's kind of a drag and drop setup. So if you wanted special ed to appear first in classes, you can just hover over it and literally click your mouse and drag it. If I wanted this to fall under junior infants, for example, you'll see that you can do indented links, and you can go as far as you want, as deep as you want with these sub-level items in terms of the hierarchy. Once you're done making your changes, you click Save Menu, and that will automatically save the new structure of the menu on the website. To add a new page, once you've created the page using the Pages area, and the page is created, you'll see a list of all your pages on the left here. So these are the most recent ones I've created, or you can view all of your pages. So for example, if let's say I wanted to have this a donations page, you click on donations, add to menu. This chugs away adding it to the menu, and you'll see it automatically, it adds it to the bottom. So if I wanted to add this under school life, you drag and drop. You click on that, and then that sub-level item will be listed underneath there. And that is how to modify your menu.